Talent Michael J. Adlawan. These are the 6 uncommon words in Filipino. First, paineta, a strip of plastic, metal, or wood with a row of narrow teeth used for untangling or arranging the hair. Example, ang paineta ni Ana ay marumi. Second, butukan, a business establishment where usually diversified goods are kept for retail sale. Example, napagtapos niya ang kanyang mga anak ng dahil sa kanilang butukan. Third, butsaka, a small bag sewn into or on clothing so as to form part of it, used for carrying small articles. Example, itago mo ang iyong pera sa iyong butsaka.